Manufacturing, you get to work with your hands. You get to design product in some cases, depending upon what level you're at. You get to come to the shop and you get to actually make the parts to machine a variety of different types of products for different industries. At Fullerton College, we have a very strong conventional machining program. We have everything from your manual machines, knee mills, engine lathes. That's the fundamental skills that is required to be successful in this area. We also have advanced computer-controlled CNC machines, CNC lathes, CNC mills. We have everything from 2-axis lathes, 4-axis lathes, 5-axis machining centers. Where people start typically is on the manual machines. It's very important to learn the fundamentals before you move on to the CNC machines. That will make you a much better CNC machinist. We still have a lot of employers that contact us and hire from Fullerton College because we're very strong in teaching manual machine shop skills, and there's a lot of very good jobs that come our way that pay very well, where they just want students to have conventional machine skills. In manufacturing, we're cutting everything from plastics to aluminum, titanium, Inconel, high temperature alloys, different steels. We're making main structural component parts for aircraft. We're making bone screws. We're making parts for off-road race cars. A job title that someone could earn after completing our program could be CNC machinist, could be CNC programmer. Sometimes it's somebody going into engineering. Today they like to have engineers with manufacturing experience. So several of our students are engineering students, either currently working on degrees at either Cal Poly or some of our other local schools, or they're students that have already graduated, have their bachelor's in engineering, and they're coming back to get manufacturing experience. Students at Fullerton College will gain real-life knowledge and experience, hands-on making parts and components, and basically use the skills to start working right away.